Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kristen and today we're headed outside to the front porch to decorate for fall. I'm super excited because I've been collecting all my pumpkins, getting all my decor ready, and you guys know me, whatever excuse I can get to decorate, I'm gonna take. So now that it's October, we're ready and I'm turning this front porch into a seasonal fall wonderland. Anyways, the first time you guys probably saw this front door was during my front door makeover, and we took it from a beige plain front door into a new and improved blue door. So I'm going to be using that blue color, tying in all of our fall decor pieces, and it's going to be kind of untraditional but really beautiful and really just match with the house. So if you guys are looking for some easy fall decor ideas, some front door inspiration, this video is definitely for you. I hope you guys enjoy coming along and decorating with me today. If you enjoy watching, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. So here's what the front porch is looking like now. We have one of those front porches that the door is kind of tucked around the side, so it's not like everything's gonna line up perfectly, but I think we can make this look really cute. We need to add some fall flair here. So I'm gonna be doing a nice scattered pumpkin layered look down the stairs, making it look really inviting, and then doing a nice little setup by the door here, and of course adding a nice little wreath. So before jumping into the makeover, I'm doing some prep work just by cleaning up the porch and the walkway and clearing off all the furniture and stuff that's already there. That way we have a blank canvas and we can start fresh. Alright, I've cleared off the entire porch, it's looking bare, and I want to jump right into the pumpkins. This week I've been collecting a bunch of different pumpkins from the grocery store, from the farm, and I made sure to pick up different sizes, different colors, and different shapes. I really love these unique kind of specialty pumpkins that are blue, as well as these kind of flatter peach ones. I also picked up the typical orange smaller pumpkins because they are more affordable, and we're going to be doing a little DIY flip on those. So before I get started, I want to clean off all the pumpkins and make sure that they last longer. So I heard that if you mix bleach and water and wipe off your pumpkins, it will kind of like get all the bacteria off and make them last longer. So I'm just cleaning off all the pumpkins with a sponge. I used 1 part bleach, 5 parts water, and it's just kind of a diluted bleach mixture, and that really helped clean off all the pumpkins. So I'm wiping off all sides of it and then leaving them out to dry. Alright, so all my pumpkins are sitting out to dry. They're so much cleaner now. I hope that really works and makes them last longer. But now we're going to transform these orange ones. So as you can see, the color palette is very muted. We're working in that blue color. So to work in more of the blue, we're going to be painting these using the exact same color we used on the front door. So this is called Juniper Ash. I'm going to be painting these pumpkins to match perfectly with the front door, and that will really pull together the whole color palette and totally bring out the door color. So this is an exterior paint in a semi-gloss finish, and I'm also going to be finishing them off with some clear gloss. This is UV resistant and will really seal off these orange pumpkins. This is like the easiest DIY that you can do, and it makes such a big difference. It ties together all the colors and really gives a nice custom look. So if you have some extra door paint or any color that you like, definitely try out painting your pumpkins. See how the pumpkin matches perfectly now? This is really going to disperse this color all around the porch. So I'm going to be starting this little makeover with this wreath, and I got this last year and I think it's so pretty. It's a really nice kind of untraditional color palette for fall, but it has a cute little pumpkin, some eucalyptus. It's just super, super pretty. So it's going to hang vertically right in the middle of the door, and this is kind of going to be the jumping off point for the rest of the makeover. Now I want to bring these colors into the floor area and do a nice little welcome mat setup. So first I'm layering down a nice little IKEA rug. This is like a $3 mat from there, and it's really affordable but has a nice fringe and texture to it. And then layering on top a welcome mat. I picked up this new welcome mat from a garden center, and I just thought the pattern was so simple and beautiful. If you don't have a welcome mat, you can also DIY one and put whatever pattern you want on top. So because there isn't really a center of this porch, I want to create some focal point using some mums. So these are really beautiful fall mums. I picked them up at the grocery store, garden centers, different places, but I really love the colors of them. I picked up pink, purple, and white, and I love the muted color palette that match with the pumpkins. I'm adding the big white one between the chairs here just to create a nice little focal point right when you walk up the stairs. Now with the other mums, I'm going to be layering them up the stairs of the walkway. If you have any elevated surfaces or steps like this, layer your flowers and your mums up the stairs, and it will create this beautiful entrance and kind of entryway feeling to the stairs. It really guides you up and creates this really bushy, beautiful, colorful look. Now I'm going to be doing the same thing with my pumpkins and layering them around the main spaces. So I wanted to create a nice little pumpkinscape around the welcome mat on either side, and I'm using this step in the same way by layering different sized pumpkins, different colors. So it's kind of random but really nicely placed, and I'm going to be doing the same thing up the stairs. This will also cover the flower pots so that you don't see the plastic. So I'm scattering different sized pumpkins again, layering them, putting them on top of each other, turning them on their sides, and just playing around with them until I end up with the look that I want. Okay, this is so much fun. It's looking so cute, but to bring it to life and add some magic out here, I'm going to be using some battery powered twinkle lights and some battery tea light candles and these mini LED candles. I got this all from the dollar store, and they're just going to add a nice little sparkle out here. I really love the way these pumpkins look during the day, but these candles are really going to light up the colors at night and make them look twinkly, and I want to do the same thing for the mums. So I'm just putting in my little twinkle lights inside the mums so they can light up and brighten up the space at night. Alright, so I'm almost done. I'm just finishing this off with a nice cozy plaid blanket and a nice textured outdoor pillow on that chair. Alright, all my little finishing touches are in. It's getting dark out, it's getting chilly out. I had to put my jacket on, but this is so cute. It's so magical and twinkly and beautiful with all the colors. Like, it matches the flowers and the pumpkins and the front door and the brick and everything. I think you guys are gonna love it. So let me show you guys what my fall front porch looks like now. that's it for today's fall decorate with me. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I hope this gave you some ideas on how you can decorate your front porch for fall. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys think of my fall setup, what you're planning on doing for your fall setup, and what's your color scheme. If you enjoyed watching, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss upcoming videos. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned on so you don't miss the upcoming content. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!